Interested in crypto? Fidelity Crypto offers a trusted, secure way to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum within the familiar Fidelity ecosystem. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you need to be eligible, available in most states, and enable the Fidelity Crypto feature on your existing Fidelity account. This creates a separate wallet for your crypto holdings within Fidelity. Once enabled, navigate to the Crypto section. You can place market or limit orders for Bitcoin or Ethereum 24/7. There's a small spread-based commission on each trade. My crucial pro tip? Understand this is a custodial account. You don't get a private wallet key. Fidelity holds the crypto for you, which offers security and ease but means you can't transfer it to an external wallet. It's best for investors who want crypto exposure without the technical complexity of self-custody. Dip your toes into digital assets with a seasoned financial giant as your guide. Are you using a traditional broker for crypto, or a dedicated exchange like Coinbase? For more guides on modern asset classes, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.